In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom crosshair in Fortnite Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you are playing Fortnite on a PC like I am here, you will have much more customization over the crosshair settings, and you are able to use different methods to actually get custom crosshairs inside of the game. Now, what if you are playing on Xbox? It is a lot more limited. However, there are still methods that allow you to use a custom crosshair, and it's exactly what I'm going to cover in this video. So, sadly, these will not be free. I'm going to show you a cheap method and then an expensive one later. So, the cheapest way is going to be to purchase these reticle stickers. So if you look for reticle stickers on Amazon, either reticle stickers or FPS, aim, assist sticker, you will be able to purchase these crosshair shaped stickers. And as you might imagine, you are able to stick them into your monitor or your TV that you play Fortnite on. Now, the harsh reality is that inside of the game, there are no settings that allow you to customize the crosshair, so this is the only way to actually get a crosshair when playing on a device that doesn't allow for customization. So you can look through different ones, find a shape that you like, find a color that you like, and you will be able to easily stick them onto your TV or monitor. It shouldn't leave any residue, and as long as you browse through the highest rated ones, you will be able to find a good option. Now, as you saw previously, the other method is going to be purchasing a different monitor. My recommendation would be the Ultra Gear series from LG. Why? Well, because they feature a custom setting called Crosshair. So as you can clearly see, you can actually enable a crosshair directly from the monitor. So this is not a sticker, this is simply a setting that is on the monitor, and it adds a crosshair on top of any game. However, of course, this option is expensive. You will have to pay upwards of $200. You might be able to get a cheap monitor for like $100 that might have this feature, and it would solve the problems. But because it is such an expensive solution, I don't believe that most people will use this as their first option. So I would recommend just going over and purchasing a sticker, or if you are really tight on budget or you don't want to wait for this to arrive, you can draw a crosshair with a Sharpie and some tape, and you might get somewhat similar results. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom crosshair in Fortnite Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.